brush muna tayo. Hair dry. Hair dry! Hindi niyo pala ako naririnig. So, magpatayo na tayo ng hair. Huwag kakalimutan maglagay ng heat protectant. And then, apply nyo lang. Ganyan. Ayan. And then, I'm using T3 hair dryer. I got this hair dryer from Costco and sobrang discounted price kaya sulit. See me doing GGSS. I know, gandang-ganda sa sarili. A lot of you might have cringe faces, but you know, this is one way of boosting self-esteem. Remember, while having your me time, don't forget to recite your simple affirmations for the day just to make your day extra meaningful. You are worth it.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's one of the struggles of having a long hair. Next, I'll be using... This is not an ad, but I got this from Costco. And you know, anything from Costco is a big win. Super great deals. Wala pa ako pambili ng Dyson. Kaya yan muna. Yun muna. Ang important naman kasi, basta less damage sa hair. Tapos fast yung effect. Like this hair dryer, hindi mo na kumabot ng 10 minutes. Dry na. See? Dry na agad yung hair. So, para magkaroon ng volume, para ma-surprise si husband, di ba? Hindi yung nakaklap lang or no-ligo look. So, might as well mag-curl ng hair. Ano yung mas bagay? Gitna yung section o side section? Pero yung side mo. Pero gitna natin. Ayan. Ayan, haba na ng hair. Ako lang ang naggugupit niyan. Ayan. Kakagupit ko lang ng January. Haba na ulit. Then, sana ma-achieve natin yung curl na pinapanood ko. I've been seeing a lot of TikTok videos doing different techniques of using this curler. And so I'm struggling, as you can see. I've been trying to recall how they do it. So easy. But then again, it's a fail. Wait. Ma-achieve ko din yan. Wow, wag. In fairness. Oh, first curl. First try pa lang yun. Okay, next. Even it's a fail and you keep on getting bad results from doing it, don't forget to acknowledge your efforts from trying. And again, just translate everything into positivity and you'll see you're gonna succeed. Buti pa si Heart, may hairstylist. Ay. Ano bang pinagagawa ko? Get up, Dash. Ay, nako. Alam nyo, mas madali pa yung iikot-ikot ko kasi yung pahirapan ko yung sarili ko. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan. Okay, magkukulot muna tayo, ha? Balikan ko kayo. Hi! Ayan. O, diba? Yan na yung curl. And then, sabi, kailangan, yeah. And then, finger comb para kumapal, magka-volume. My takeaway from this video is
to look for best deals and also
Ayan.
try harder, never give up, and always find different routes, for you to achieve that particular goal.
Kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. Oh. Ayan. Actually, kahit dun sa outer ng hair, basta yung mga nasa labas, yun lang ang i-curl nyo. Kahit yung sa loob, hindi naman kasi napapansin yun. Importante, nag-curl yung hair.
I hope you learned something from this video and thank you for watching. Again, this is Pawee. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.